ain't no way you can stop me from causing mayhem. Because if I say I'm gonna do something, I just do it. I don't give a damn. What you think I do this for me? Fuck the world. Beat a bean, it's all gassed up. There's something stopping me. I'm gonna set out to be what I want to be. No doubt, undoubtedly. Those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts. Don't ask him why or how can he. From Infinity down to his Vegeta's album, he's still shitting. Whether he's on salary or paid hourly, or until he bowels out or shits the bowels out of me. I'm married to the game like fuck you for Christmas. My gift is a curse. Forget the earth. I've got the urge to pull my dick out of the dirt and fuck the universe. Whatever comes first, for better for worse. Nurse, it's getting worse. This is a story about a warrior. You know it. True warriors, go ahead, make some noise. It ain't nothing to be making these niggas paranoid. I'm gonna hit your corner with more weapons. I don't need my boys. I'm doing 120 in the fast lane. Kick back, relax, let me do my thing. I don't give a fuck about you suckers trying to maintain the money, power, and respect of this rap game. Now, I don't rap to get women, fuck bitches. Give me a fat slut that cooks and does dishes. I never ran with a clique because I'm a posse, kamikaze. Got a motherfucking bomb stuck across me. I told the doctor that I need a new illness. I gave the bitch herpes in exchange for syphilis. Fuck dropping the jewel, I'm gonna flip the sacred treasure. I'll bite your motherfucking style just to make it fresher. Can't take the pressure. I'm sick of bitches, sick of nagging bosses bitches while I'm washing dishes. Are you whacker than the motherfuckers you bitch your style from? You ain't gonna sell 2 copies if you press a double album. My name is Gigi on the Lolo. I'm an alcoholic. You can feel my disease, but they don't know what to call it. You better hide your wallet because I'm coming up quick to strip your cash. Bought a ticket to your concert just to come and whip your ass. The proof is in the pudding. Just ask your Sound Holton. I'll slit your fucking throat worse than Ron Golden. Bitch, I'm gonna come out swinging so fast it's gonna make your eyes spin. And you're gonna get knocked out like Mike motherfucking Tyson. Living a monk, never giving a fuck. Give me the keys, I'm drunk. I never drove a truck, but I smoked dope in a cab. I'm gonna stab you with the sharpest knife I can grab. Come back next week and reopen the scab. I see you staring at my blue jeans, watching my genitals bulging. Oh, those are my motherfucking balls. You better let go of them. They belong in my slaughter. You ain't ever gonna get a hold of them. Now don't be blue, move with a fool. What you gonna do? I'm blacker than you. So woke, yeah.